Anthony De Silva from Asolna Ambeli. आता ऐकिला सुभाष वेलिंगरा गेली बेल रिजेक्ट जाली म्हणून. It's a good sign. But please hold on. Let us not celebrate it. Because here there could be another two course of actions. One, he may surrender and apply for regular bail. Second, he may go to higher courts. From JMFC, he may go to High Court, and then he may go even to Supreme Court. So, let us take very precautious steps. This is not the end of the war. This is only the battle, one of the battles of this bigger war. So सगळ्यांक विनंती करतलो, रिक्वेस्ट करतलो, please do not do anything that could further escalate things. Now that the law has taken its own course, let us leave these things in the hands of the law. Let us not come into any default. Let us not give anybody a yardstick to create any disturbances. Although I may not be an expert, but a request करता, please take a very cautious stand. Please do not give even an iota of doubt to the people who may want to create nuisance. Even any criminal, he has a recourse for a bail. So he may even surrender and go in for a regular bail. These are some legal things which I don't know much in detail, but I request you all, please keep calm. Let us not celebrate it as a final victory. Mashe Siddhidan move kore so that whatever victory we are getting, it should not be turned into a disadvantage to all of us Goans. Let us wait and watch the next step. And your video must try to forward this video so that there is more calm in the whole of Goa. Mashe wo video forward kore, share kore, so that nobody should take any step which will put us into a wrong side. Let us not consider or take it for granted that the opposite side have given up. Dev Guru, thank you very much.